previously we had a VPN solution that was quite lumpy. It interfered with people's, day to day. They knew it was there. Friction is probably a word I would describe as well. I think it has to be this building in tandem piecemeal approach. What we were able to do is start to look at, as systems come up for renewal, as things like vulnerabilities became more prevalent. So we were able to start strategically swapping things out over time. The business, for instance, actually to see it's fairly seamless. But what's really interesting is they've gone from having countless issues with things like VPNs not connecting, or posture checks on laptops causing problems, remote connectivity, to it just running now. You can't just kick out, a WAN supplier, that provides, 6 offices with various WAN connectivity. That has to be really thought out how you achieve it. You can't just refresh your LAN, overnight. That's a big piece of work. You can't just change your firewalls, especially when you've got one that, you've got 2 kind of fairly large devices that are all routing all traffic. And we also work with an MSP, so we had to think about how we connect the data center in properly, and also then start moving workloads to Azure. So it was an interesting journey, shall we say.